Welcome to Magical Mathematical Wednesdays, presented to you by Shamil and Camilla. In this topic today, we're going to be discovering integration by parts. Yay!
The general information is the formula for the integration of u dv, and it is uv minus the integral of v du. So, and the question is to find the integral of u dv, and it's really important to choose your u and v prime, and u should be simple to derive, while v prime should be simple to integrate.
Example: integral of x e to the power of 2x dx. Firstly, we must pick our u and v prime. As you can see, x is very simple to derive, therefore it is our u, while e to the 2x is simple to integrate, therefore it is our v prime. So, we have u equals x, u prime equals dx, v prime equals e to the power of 2x, v equals e to the 2x over 2. Now we just have to input into our equation.
So using the formula, it will be x times e to the power of 2x over 2 minus the integral of e to the power of 2x over 2 dx, which will finally give us the result, which is x times e to the power of 2x over 2 minus e to the power of 2x over 4 plus c.
So, a more complex example. As you can see, we have chosen the integral of sine ln x dx. Now, for reasons you will find out later, we shall name this L. So we have L equals the integral of sine ln x dx. So we begin with our integration by parts. This might be a bit complicated, but with a bit of thinking, we realize that we can use 1 times sine ln x. So we have u equals sine ln x, and deriving that we get cos ln x over x, and v prime as 1. So therefore, by integrating that, we get v equals x. Now simply by inputting into the equation, we arrive at x sine ln x minus the integral of x cos ln x over x. So obviously, we can remove the x's. Now we have another integral, which is sort of similar to the first, but now we have cos. So we try using integration by parts for a second time. Same method, same working. U equals cos ln x. U prime is now minus sine ln x over x. V prime is 1 and v equals x. We then input that into the equation and we get x sine ln x minus x cos ln x plus the integral of x sine ln x over x, and we remove the x's once more. So now we have x sine ln x minus x cos ln x plus the integral of sine ln x. As you may have realized, this is exactly the question to our problem at the very beginning, which is why we have named it L. We now have L equals to x sine ln x minus x cos ln x minus L, since our L is equal to the integral of sine ln x. By using simple algebra, we arrive at 2L's equal to x sine ln x minus x cos ln x, and 1L is equal to x sine ln x minus x cos ln x divided by 2 plus c. There we go.
It is important to know only use if integration by substitution doesn't work, because it's easier. Choose your u and v prime wisely. Your u should be easily derived, while v prime easily integrated.
If you spend an extended period of time on a question, you most probably chose the wrong u and v prime, so switch it up. And lastly, make sure you have fun while doing it.
Do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you mine are still greater. Albert Einstein.